and writers. And also, through having our magazine, we were able to interview 190 writers as well as 20 poets. Through regular trainings and exams, they are now able to contribute in other Islamic publications. And also, nowadays, we can see their articles appearing in mainstream media. Due to the planned efforts of our SRD department, various workshops have been conducted to polish and channelize the skills of our women cadres, resulting in more number of skilled women in the field. Now we can see our women actively contributing and getting involved in many areas like representation, counseling, and so on, through different NGOs and other platforms.
अरकान इज्तिमा दूसरा दिन जमात इस्लामी अरकान इज्तिमा हैदराबाद दूसरा दिन ओपन सेशन।
Also, on this occasion, in front of the Kuwait gallery, I'm very glad to announce that we are all
एग्जीबिशन
किधर आया है? अरे बहुत अच्छा है हमारा
अलग अलग लोगों से नहीं छोड़ दो ऐसे लोगों से मुलाकात की जो अमन पसंद लोग थे और हम देखते हैं ये सद्भावना यात्रा 2004 में का काम करें ना। इसके अंदर सिख भी मौजूद है, इसके अंदर क्रिश्चन भी मौजूद है, इसमें हिंदू भी मौजूद है। ये वो अमन पसंद बस जो सद्भावना यात्रा के नाम से जानी जाती है, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर भी अटैक हुआ और इसको लीड करने वाली भी जमात इस्लामी गुजरात। इस पर जब अटैक हुआ इस यात्रा को रोक दिया गया। फिर उस वक्त के जो पॉलिटिशियन की तरफ से और आम सभाओं के अंदर मुसलमानों के खिलाफ जो बातें आने लगी और वर्गर वर्ड जो इस्तेमाल करने लगे आम सभाओं में जो पॉलिटिशियन की तरफ उस वक्त जमात ने जो बड़ा स्टैंड लिया वो ये कि अहमदाबाद में एक बड़ी सी होल्डिंग्स लगाई गई जिसको द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में मेंशन किया। उस होल्डिंग्स के अंदर सिर्फ इतना लिखा हुआ था
Islamic.
The sort of narration here spread Islamophobia are mostly circling around Muslim women, their status, their rights, and more. The narrative before the Sahita movement has completely changed, and now it is like there are more attempts to demonize the community by targeting Muslim women and discouraging their presence with their identity. We need to produce more literature to resist this, of course, but that is not enough. We need to be empowered to utilize the new media and communication tools in a more effective way. The speed with which the discourses and narratives are spreading cannot be stopped by the state we are learning to use these tools. More women have to come up to mediate this positively into the very spreading of the narrative. Many in our community are still hesitant to use social media platforms productively. The digital divide can be reduced only by conscious effort. Secondly, the gender narratives, including LGBTQ+, have taken new form and shape and have become more like political movements. We can't say for sure that their impact is not there in our families and our institutions. We need to have more materials in text and videos to withstand this wave, especially in the language of the new generation. I'm not saying that they all should be only in English. Every language has undergone drastic changes in vocabulary during the last 10 years. There has been in-depth scientific analysis of the matter as well as
brothers and sisters, we all have to be, especially our women and girls and boys, our men and women, we all have to be role models and take initiatives in this regard. Fourthly, Muslim rigidity and lack of inclusiveness. The beauty of Islam is in its plurality. The policy of Jamaat-e-Islami is to be inclusive of different opinions with regards to fiqh masail. Whatever is clearly stated as haram is haram, and everyone associated with this theory is expected to be an example for others in that without any doubt. And the remaining, we leave to the discretion of our leader to choose whatever school of thought or opinion they want to select in areas where there is more than one opinion among the scholars based on valid proof. This has to be practically followed by all. This is true for both men and women, but when it comes to women's issues, the rigidity is felt more and severe in our community. The result is the Ummah loses a great number of young women and girls, and they are utilized by others against Islam and to spread Islamophobia. We need to understand that in this era of Islamophobic public places and lack of recognition and opportunities and acceptance, our youth who are more exposed to different opinions and ijtihad across the world would naturally select the easy path if there are more opinions. So, the leaders of this Ummah, we all need to be a little more tolerant and inclusive in order to not abuse our talented women.
We need to go there in making haram with no bad from the Quran and Sunnah. So more literature and awareness are needed in this area also. We need headquarters of the other stakeholders. That is the seed among the youth and the women. That is complete freedom from all ways and manners and rules.
We must save our young women and girls to not get affected by such trends through proper, timely guidance with hikmah. This will be possible only if we take them together with us and not by keeping them away.
नमाज
By
गाओ
positively engaging, we
मस्जिद
can save the youth from falling into those thoughts, tendencies, and trends that are hurtling against Islamic teaching. Fifthly, accessibility and female-friendly decent spaces. It is an undeniable fact that this Tehreek took initiatives right from the beginning to engage access for our girls in educational institutions. Those women who lead the movement across the nation are mostly the product of such institutions. But the other how it is. The girls in this Ummah, the girls of our community need access to better, professionally qualified teachers, scholars, and educational environments. They also need more access to good libraries and other centers of learning. Similarly, the women's spaces of our masajids are to be revisited and rechecked. Actually, we can do a lot by providing decent spaces for women in our masajid. They should be more comfortable and attractive places for our women and children. Conscious efforts should be made to utilize this provision for the tarbiyat and empowerment of our women folk. Another area is that of sports and entertainment. We need to initiate in setting up Islamic female-friendly playgrounds where women and girls can engage in sports and games in an Islamic way. Health clubs, gymnastic centers, and other certificate activity centers can be established at selected places to attract more women as well as to maintain the health of our women. They should be focusing creative platforms to regularly educate artists and
ये लोग पन्नी पर आ नहीं रहा पन्नी तो आ गई है भर रहा है हाँ हुआ जा रहा है पर नीचे देखिए नीचे है ये देखिए भी बना दिया, इसमें भी आ सकते हो, जैसे भी आ सकते हो।
नीचे चलिए, परमिशन नहीं है। नीचे चलिए तो भाई परमिशन नहीं है ऊपर जाने की। चलो भाई,
वो क्या है उधर?
उधर पानी का स्टॉक कर रखा है।
देखता ना।
हाँ, बच्चे अच्छे जाएंगे, गड्ढे हैं वो।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं ये
नहीं,
नहीं कह रहा।
जाने का ही नहीं सर, सभी को मना है
ये झाड़ तक जाके देख लेगा।
सर। कोई नहीं जा रहा वहाँ, मना है बिल्कुल। जानवर वगैरह हैं, देख रहे हो, मार रहे हैं जानवरों को, कोई मतलब नहीं है भाई। नहीं से आएगा, आ जा भाई, नहीं जा।
अभी और 15 दिन हुए। हाँ, जमा जा रही 15 दिन के।
अरे चल नुमान यार,
Only with opportunity, only by trying, experiences will come. Another problem is many people say that the difficulty in conducting meetings. If only men are there in the committee, we can conduct the meeting anywhere, anytime. But if women are there, it's very difficult. We have to consider there it should be more discipline and all that. But we need to know that when Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, with comparatively very less facilities and communication tools, if he involved women in all these areas, what is stopping us? We have to think about it. And as the Quran says, this will be possible only when we have engagement in a complementing and cooperative manner. The last point is we need to adopt new methods and styles. We are very comfortable with and very happy with traditional methods of our work. But there are many fields often in front of us which have to be explored. For example, represent Indian society demands that more of our women should be engaged in khidmat al-khalq. When the landslide happened in Wayanad, our Tahriki women were the first ones to reach, and they were there throughout, and that was being appreciated by the national and international media. National leaders went there and they were waiting for our women to finish their work, to come out and to play the Gandhi to appreciate them. And one of the leaders of a political party at that place, he told us that these are not normal women, they are ladies. And it has also been reinforced for the and this type of engagement in Indian society, we need to, have different types of working we need to adopt and work. In short, whether we accept it or not, the site is within the standards and the mark for of progressive strength and wisdom are such to great reflect of the truth of us. We will be far behind nature. Women are entering into every field of social, economic and political life in today's world. We need our women in all these fields engaged with them. For this, they should be equally, or rather more effective. Finally, I would like to tell my sisters and daughters family that is our first priority. Anything that our vast system and world will have to stop. But family should
जमात इस्लामी हिंद अदल ओखिस्त दूसरा दिन इज्तिमा का दूसरा दिन
उस्मानी मरहूम की मशहूर नज़म के कुछ अशार आपकी खिदमत में पेश कर रहा हूँ।
Bye.